Friends, welcome back to another video. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Polygon Matic. What's going on this time in the Polygon Matic? What surprise of Polygon? What surprise changes occurs today in the Polygon Matic? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button now and like this video for me. Thank you so much for subscribing AB's Tech channel, friends. Anyways, if we look the currently condition of the Steeder XNM, sorry, Polygon Matic. So now the currently price of the Polygon Matic is 1.82 USD dollar, 0.0004 USD dollar is the current price of the Polygon. And on the other side, if you look the price change is okay in the Polygon, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, except of the last 1 hour, last 1 day and last 1 week pricing is going positive, friends. So only the previous last 1 day and last 1 week pricing is positive, except of these the last 1 hour pricing is going negative, friends. So absolutely a lot of orders worrying about that, but let's see what's going at this time in the Polygon Matic. Oh my god, that's a shock news for us. As you can see here, at this time the Polygon Matic is very badly fast down now in the market, very fast down. Okay, in the previous time the Chinese is going good, but I think that they continue this jump for a long time, but I'm wrong. They can't continue this jump for a long time, and they after some passage of time they again fast down, friends. So now currently condition of the Polygon Matic is wrong, so my prediction is that they continue this fast for a few hours, and after a few hours there is a lot again chances to they again take a jump, friends. There is chances to again take a jump, friends. Maybe they don't take a jump in the future, but that's my prediction, friends. What do you think? Can they take a jump in the future or not? Please tell me in the comment box. Anyways, my friends, if we look the currently pricing is occurring in the last 1 day in the Polygon Matic, supposed to 13.61% pricing as going positive. Hey, and 2.2 USD dollar is the highest price of the Polygon Matic in the last 1 day and the 24-hour, friends. So now the current condition of the Polygon Matic is going wrong, but that's not me the new design to send Polygon Matic, because and very barely fast down and gradually they start moving upwards. So they continue this fast for a few hours, and after a few hours there is again chances to they take a jump, friends. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.